The history of airships began in the 19th century, and their peak development occurred in the first half of the 20th century. They shaped an era and inspired cultural figures. Today, interest in them is growing, aided by new technologies. But the question is, how much does the image of airships match reality? Let's try to find out with specific examples. In literature, from Jules Verne to Philip Pullman, airships have played roles as transportation, weapons, and even as independent characters. In cinema, in the classic action film Zeppelin from 1971 and in modern movies, they create a retrofuturistic atmosphere, symbolizing power and technological superiority. In the visual arts of the early 20th century, airships were symbols of a new era, power, and grandeur, often serving as key elements of composition. In architecture and design, the shapes of airships are used as part of futuristic projects, but the most interesting developments are happening in computer games. Initially, airships in games were only episodic elements, creating the atmosphere of the steam engine era. Later, they became means of transportation, mobile bases, and platforms for aerial battles, influencing the design, economy, and politics of the game world, which aligns with reality. The maintenance of airships creates new professions, and their implementation changes the transportation infrastructure. The image of the airship depends on the genre of the game. In strategy games, they are used for reconnaissance and bombings, in role-playing games, as luxurious transportation, in action games, as an arena for aerial battles. In massively multiplayer online games, they serve as platforms for player interaction, and in VR, they provide the sensation of flight. Games reflect the evolution of airships, from steam-powered machines to high-tech ships with energy shields. Real airships are not as fantastical. Lift, air resistance, and weather slightly limit their capabilities. Games simplify control, increase speed, and equip them with incredible weaponry, especially in the steampunk genre. But real airships are experiencing a renaissance, with their concepts constantly being reimagined. New generation airships will become an important element of gameplay, world architecture, and storytelling. Therefore, the impact of airships on culture is being actively studied. In the near future, we can expect interesting works on the role of airships in subcultures and their symbolic significance in the context of ecology. The evolution of the airship's image in new media is happening right before our eyes. How far can we go? What will we offer researchers? Find out more on the New Generation Airships project website via the link in the description.